So it was another super long day. I started at 8:30 in programming. We did some more variable stuffs and we started some math. So basically division, addition, subtraction, and all that. And then we added the if and if else concept. So like if something, and then there's also elif, which means else if. And then after that there's like the else, blah blah blah. Like it's like inputting some, if something is given and output that kind of. If age is bigger than 17, then output type or print adult. Or if it's under, or like, which is else, print that you're a teen, all of that. And then I had calculus. We did some concepts about continuity. So like they give piecewise functions. There's like 3, let's say, and there's the intervals for the domain. You look for the vertical asymptotes. You look for the discontinuities, all of that. It's fairly simple. It's just need of logic, I'd say. And then we had English right after. I couldn't eat because it was kind of lunch. Well, not lunch, but it was quite stick next to each other from the end of one period to the next class. In English, just discussions about the stories we read. We read the Midnight Bicycle by this Japanese author called Kikyo Murata. And then some more writing. We did a lot of writing today, like quick writes, and I have to hand it in. And then like if you didn't read the text, you can't write anything, so you're kind of screwed if you didn't read, if you didn't do your homework. And then I had mechanics, which was a lot more new stuff as well. Basically variables for circular motions, or rotational variables, where everything for delta x that we knew until now, delta v that we knew until now, becomes like theta for displacement. It's more like angular displacement, and velocity is more like angular velocity. And the formulas are a bit different. I'd say like the complex ones are the same, just that you switch angular with like thetas and stuff. But for the regular, like the really simple ones, which are supposed to be v equals to theta over time, it's a bit different because it's like they use the concept of radians. So they use the concept of 2 pi. So then I have to relook at that, and yeah, the acceleration is a bit weird, so I'll look at that as well.